Hey guys, in this video, we'll unbox this home security Wi-Fi camera from TAPO. This is model TC72. Now, this records at 2K QHD. It depends on what you actually need. Person detection, baby crying detection, and pet detection. You can put local microSD card storage up to 512 gigs. So I have the TAPO app right here on my phone. You just have to download the app and sign up. I got this on Lazada for like 1,600 pesos. You can also get an additional microSD card as a bundle price. You see, we have smart AI detection and notification inside. And you have the quick start guide. This one is the mounting template. This is the power cable. Then this is the CCTV itself. Let's take a look. Tapo. This is the camera base for the mount. So as you can see, the camera is powering up. I'm clicking on add device right now. Then we just have to find the model number, which is TC72. So you have to wait for the camera's LED sensor to be blinking red and green for us to connect. So for pairing purposes, we have to connect to the CCTV's local network. Then you have to choose your specific Wi-Fi network, what you want to connect your CCTV into.
Connecting to Wi-Fi. Wi-Fi connected.
It says here that we have configured the TAPO device. This one, for the cloud services, you have to pay for it for the storage. Yeah. We will just skip this for now. You can see ourselves right here. So right now we're inside the app. You can try to adjust the CCTV and I can move it around. For the settings, this will be the detection. If you want to monitor for the motion detection, person detection, pet detection, vehicle detection. It's a smart AI system. So every time that the camera senses a motion, you can set an alarm actually for this. You can see you have to tilt the camera up a little upwards. Earlier, the lens is like this. You have to move it a little upwards so you can see the SD card slot right here. This is where you would put it. So I have the micro SD card right here.
The SD card is not formatted. Please format it according to the app guidelines.
And after inserting your micro SD card, you have to reset and reboot. So you have to go inside the storage and recording and you have to initialize the formatting. So right now it's formatting already. The formatting is already successful. So you have a loop recording of 56 gigs. The SD card that we bought is only 64 gigs. The loop recording means that once the storage is full, it will automatically be deleted. The micro SD card, the status is good. Recording schedule. We can have access to the records as long as it's not deleted yet. Then we have continuous recording, detection recording, and don't. This is our current mounting setup. So for the base mount, we have it directly screwed into the plywood. We just have to twist it right here to have it mounted on the plywood itself. I just want to share some of the settings that we've made so far. So as you can see, this is the main page. This is live image feed. You can also try to put it into settings if you want to track the motion. Then there are all sorts of settings. It actually all depends on what you need. The CCTV itself has speakers and it has microphone. For the others, you can just try to navigate it yourself. Right now, it actually just notified me that there is a motion detection, and that's me moving right now. So you can actually take a screenshot, you can like video the whole thing. Then we have the playback and download. Since we inserted the micro SD card earlier, we can actually play back and download our footages. So everything would be relied on this app.